Mandy Moon here. I guess you bought one of my Vivacious contact wands. And firstly, I want to say congratulations. Secondly, I want to say thank you for supporting my business. And thirdly, let's get started on figuring this all out. You received this finger loop here, and you may have thought, whoa, Mandy, I can't fit my finger in that tiny little hole. And that's good because I didn't intend for you to fit your finger in that tiny little hole. All right, so we're going to take the tail end and stick it through the loop. And now we have this cinchy thing that we can fit it to whatever size we need. All right. Also, both have a cap, one black, one white. Each end has a heavy end and a light end, and I set mine up as the white end is the light end. So that goes up. Okay, so I'm going to show you this little trick for pushing and pulling the wand out to get you started. You want to make sure your wand is at the ready. So the white is light and it is up. All right, and I'm going to push the wand out to one side, pull it back, and push it out to the other side. All right, and as I'm doing it, pushing it out side to side, I also kind of want to slightly angle it in front of me so it's not coming back and hitting me or the string and then spinning out. All right, so I'm going to push it out to the left first and pull it back into the right. All right, and now we got this going. We're going to add our illusion hand in because that's what really makes it magic. All right, so boom, 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 boom. And if the wand is coming in and hitting the string and getting wonky, you just know you need to push it out just a little bit further. And hopefully that gets you started.